everyone, I've got a fantastic opportunity here today situated on Salteye Road in Eccles to show you this 3-bedroom semi-detached property which is coming to the market chain free. So at the front of the property, as you can see, we've got a large driveway suitable for off-road parking for multiple cars, entrance hallway here which leads through to our living room. Nice and spacious in here and flooded with natural light. Fantastic opportunity here for someone to put their own stamp on a property and get onto the property ladder. Property is all double glazed and gas central heated throughout. Benefits from 2 reception rooms, a fitted kitchen and bathroom and 3 generous sized bedrooms. So coming through to our second reception room, which could be used as a dining room, attached to our fitted kitchen, which also provides access to our low maintenance rear garden. So here's our fitted kitchen. Again, a great opportunity for someone to put their own stamp on a property. Nice and spacious inside. We've got a low maintenance front and rear garden, off-road parking and side access. So here we have our low maintenance rear garden, which is paved, and then we've got brick built outbuilding there for storage, and then we've got some further sheds down here as well for storage. Side access around the side as well, which takes us back to the front of the property. So we are situated in Eccles. We are right near fantastic amenities, transport links as well as being close by to the motorway, which makes commuting nice and easy. Got the Trafford Centre nearby as well, other fantastic amenities and some local schools nearby. So this is one of our bedrooms. This is at the back of the property. We've got a very generous sized double bedroom with some fitted wardrobes there. And then we have our second bedroom just next door. Again, we can see flooded with natural light and a very spacious room. None of the furniture here is integrated, so it'll be even bigger once this has been removed. And then finally we have our third bedroom here, bedroom number 3. This is just used as storage at the moment and does house a single bed. And then completing the first floor, we've got our toilet, which is separate to our bath and basin. Could be knocked through to make a larger bathroom. So this has been a property on Salteye Road in Eccles. If you would like to arrange a viewing, please give our office a call on 0161 707 4900.